Look at that sky. Isn't that beautiful, Zulu? Look at that. Hey guys, some beautiful sky tonight. Zulu, come on, girlie. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, Zulu. Come on, buddy.
That's pretty. Oh yeah.
That's a nice sky right there. All right, Ginger Ray's gonna find his spot. We'll come back over here to Miss Zulu. Hi, Zulu. What are you looking at? What do you see?
Just looking at the road ahead.